recording.
All right, so for this episode, what I want to show is the finished product on this car in terms of being able to put the kit on, because this is a BRZ and it's a GR86 kit. There's certain adaptations that have to happen, and the important piece to start from is the bottom splitter. Now, if you look at the alignment from the rear to the front fender, you'll see that this edge, the edge of the splitter, all the way through here, this is all aligned. And so, in order for that to happen, you got to get this board properly installed and aligned underneath. Then you can put the fenders on. So it's a bit of custom work to be able to test fit your fender with this and this guy, as well as with the back fender. Once this line is established, then you can go ahead and finish the work. I'm going to show you on this car, on this one here, that the way that we adapted this is we put this board underneath. This was an old splitter that we had, and we used it as a bit of a backing board for the carbon fiber piece that goes on top. And so, you know, on the BRZ, these bolts, we put riv nuts underneath through the body, and the plastic works. And then we were able to screw this board in place. Then measured the carbon fiber piece so that it actually lined up with the fenders, essentially front and back. So that gave us, you know, the ability to adjust this just fine. Then we screwed the carbon fiber splitter to this board underneath. Technically, you could probably just take a piece of melamine or, you know, plywood or something like that to be able to build one of these and put it underneath your car. Offset it, you know, in terms of cut so that you can get your seam, you know, for jacking, if you have a jack. There's a bit of trimming that we have to do at the back and in the front, you know, for the carbon fiber piece to be able to, you know, kind of, you know, fit the body properly. This will be cut to this length. There's no reason why it needs to be up this far. But once that's done, then the installation can start with respect to the fenders, front and rear. Okay? That's it.